Welcome to the AOC C27G2Z gaming monitor setup tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your AOC gaming monitor. Let's get started. Let's see what's inside the box. First, we have the monitor. Second, we have the monitor stand. Third, we have the monitor base. Following that, we have the quick start guide, which is handy for setup. And then we have the HDMI cable. Finally, we have the power cable. Let's connect the stand and base to the monitor. First, we will lay the monitor on a flat surface facing down. Next, we will want to slide the top of the stand at an angle to where the grooves slide in, and then push downward on the stand to snap the monitor in place. Finally, we will grab the base and align the base properly so we can screw the base to the stand. Now, we will go ahead and screw the stand in place. For optimal viewing, it is recommended to look at the full face of the monitor, then adjust the monitor's angle to your own preference. Hold the stand so the monitor will not topple when you change the monitor's angle. The monitor can be height adjusted 130 millimeters and tilted -5 degrees to +23 degrees. Note, please do not touch the LCD screen when you change the angle. It may cause damage or break the LCD screen. Next, we'll show you how to connect your monitor to your computer. The monitor has a display port, 2 HDMI ports, and a VGA port. In this example, we will connect via the HDMI 1 port to the monitor and to the HDMI port of the computer. First, connect the power cable to your monitor and then plug into your nearest wall outlet. Next, we will plug into the monitor's HDMI 1 port and to the HDMI port of the computer. The next video shown, we will be plugging into the laptop HDMI port. To access the OSD menu, click the button with 3 lines to the left of the power button. The button with the 3 lines will act as the menu and the enter button. You can scroll through the menu by clicking on the left or right arrow buttons. Let's quickly go through the menu. The AOC C27G2Z monitor can run at 240 Hz, but not all graphics cards can support the 240 Hz. Older or low-end graphics cards may not supply the necessary power or features to support such a high refresh rate. It is recommended to check the specs of the graphics card you are considering, ensuring it can handle the 240 Hz. And there you have it. Your AOC gaming monitor is now ready to use. Unleash your potential with AOC gaming monitors.